I'm 65, and it so happens that I've lived all my life here in my flat on Mazanom at Niel. My mother and father brought me here when I was, I guess, 2 months old, and I have been living here ever since. When I was 2.5, on 29th May 1951, my father, Osvalds Bileskans, left the flat in the middle of the day, apparently with a friend of his, and I never saw him again. 2 days later at night, KGB man came to the flat and searched it. I didn't notice it, must have been asleep in another room. Later, my mother was interrogated at the KGB house, and that is when she was given the death certificate. It said Bileskans had been executed on 30th May 1951. But in fact, that was not how it happened. I know that my father was being interrogated through the summer. He was tried in September, sentenced to death, wrote an appeal, it was rejected, and he was executed on 5th of November. And then in my teen years, there was so much I didn't know about my father. It was so ambiguous, so it became a kind of obsession of mine to find out. And I started finding things out. The apartment, in a way, provided a frame for it. It seemed to make more sense to stay here.
Tad labāk es paliktu tepat, nu tā ērtāk it kā. Bet, jā, nu es par to varu runāt ar smaidu, bet patiesībā...
Yes, I can talk about it with smile, but actually it's hardly cheerful. It is more like a burden. Uncertainty is like a burden.
Smagā mašīnā mūs noliek uz grīdas, šie sēž aizmugurē.
Laimīgu ceļu!
Un čeka iekšā, un septiņi. Rūts mašīna, tas ir man pakaļ.
Un nāca pie samaņas jau čekā.
Man draudēja ar nāves sodu.
Sadeva visai masai 25 gadi. Atceros vēl, kas smējās par manīm.
Kad tu nestāstīsi patiesību, tad tu redz, tagad jau nāk tie nagamauci.
Mēs jūs nošausim sakarā ar beigšanu.
Ejam tādā kabinetā sēž tas te čekas priekšnieks aiz galda.
Kaut kur ap 12. iebraucām čekā, un šie skatījās vīner blūt. Čekis tā.
Čekis skaties kinofilmu, jā?
Jā. Kas tā bija? Lielais valsts, laikam lielais valsts.
Un gaiss briesmīgi smagsīgs iekšā tā 11. kamerā, kā elpot nav ar ko. Tādas ventilāciju rūdz bez jēgas. Tur vienmēr gaudo un gaudo tā kā zirnava.